Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Damn, my nigga car got smashed. Damn. Let's What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Stunts TV. You feel me? We back at it again with a video for y'all boys. You feel me? We out. You feel me? It's like in the afternoon. You know, we got the cat in the back with the hood still off, y'all. Bro, I love driving this car with the hood off. Like, I don't know what it is, but I like it, and the people on the road like it. But you feel me? We got the cat out. You feel me? We got the lights on red. You know, as always, this my favorite color to ride on with the cat. It just looks so evil. Like, it's like that bit snorted a line and that bit ready to kill somebody, you feel me? But let me hit y'all with the boy with a little walk around, you feel me? Let y'all boy look inside the interior real quick. You know, we got the ambient lighting, the carbon fiber steering wheel. You know, we got the Stunts TV logos, the Instagram. You know, go follow my Instagram page too. I have content on there as well. You feel me? We got the YouTube logo. They give y'all, let y'all boys see them back shots, so no homo. Yes, sir. But you feel me, y'all? We finna do a little POV for y'all, you feel me, this afternoon, you feel me? Why not do afternoon POV? We got the hood off. You already know that supercharger gonna be screaming, so without further ado, we're gonna get into the video. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and crank up the whip. You feel me? Y'all think I should try to get bendy right here? Like do a little slide? Let's see. I'm gonna let the windows and stuff up so them rocks and stuff don't be flying inside the car, getting in my eyes, you feel me? Hold on. Let's see. We're gonna get bendy real quick to start off the video. Woo! Woo! We really weren't supposed to be doing that because all these people is at the wreck. You feel me? But I'm finna act like I ain't did nothing. Oh God. I don't know what just happened, twin. I left when I heard all that commotion. We go ahead and pop that bit in sport mode now. Damn, and I need gas already again. Lord have mercy. All right, sorry, y'all. We were going through some camera issues. I don't know what was going on with my phone at the moment. But this supercharger be screaming. It's crazy. Let's see. We're going to make a little right. There we gonna do. Hold on. Gotta go slow over the bumps, y'all, so we don't knock the bump off that bit. We trying to get out the neighborhood first. Cause you feel me? I don't need y'all in the comments talking about, bro, you shouldn't be going in the neighborhood so fast. You're gonna hit a kid. If y'all knew how my eyes be working, like when I'm driving, like scanning the road. If y'all knew how my eyes be scanning the road a bit, like when I'm making these videos, y'all be like, dang, that nigga got a bionic eyeball. My eyes be all over the place. And I really know how to drive. I'm not one of the ones who don't know how to drive, you feel me? I'm certified, nigga. I'm a legal reckless driver. We just gonna say it like that. My boy said, fuck playing football, nigga. I want to see that cat coming down the street. Ooh, them pops. Y'all know them pops go crazy. And my brakes, oh my God, bro. I can't deal with this. Now we gotta wait on all that traffic. Hate waiting on traffic, y'all. Thank you. I was finna try to beat that truck, but I ain't do it. It is a lot of traffic down there. Come on, people. Y'all niggas supposed to be at work. I ain't finna wait no more. Say, we ain't finna wait no more, twin. We did enough of that. Why is this nigga right here waiting? Nigga, you ain't in no 18-wheeler? What's wrong with him? Now this nigga want to get in my lane. You know what? Nigga, fuck that. Nigga, don't get in my lane, nigga. What's wrong with Buddy? This nigga think he could just get in my lane. You better take your ass back to CDL training with that bullshit. Ooh, them tires biting the ground tonight. Did they run to the mailbox? Oh, nah. You know, you gotta watch out for these niggas. They don't know how to drive. I forgot I'm supposed to be driving with traction control off. It's the only way we drive. We don't need no traction on. What that is, tow truck? Oh, Super Mario! Oh, these bumps. That joint got the camera doing tricks on the nigga head. That joint hurt. Yeah, this video ain't gonna be too long, y'all. I can't even see. Probably because I don't got my headlights. Nah, I really probably be wearing glasses. At nighttime, but you feel me? The first time I got my glasses, I broke them holes within the first hour of me having them. So I never bought another pair. Well, got another pair of glasses. Calm down, big mama. Let's see. Should we turn the lights on? Can y'all see the lights? Them boys, Zito did send your boy some of the LED lights, so I ain't gonna lie, them things ain't bright, but I'm finna turn them off because I don't need them. I'm in a cat with no hood off. I don't need no lights. You feel me? We don't need no lights. We don't even need no hood. Cause, you feel me? We be cutting up in the hood. We don't need no hood. Can't have two hoods. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Had to make sure the person next to me wasn't looking at me. They looking at me though. Now they looking at the whip. Everybody cars messed up too. Like everybody car be making all these weird noises. It be crunching when it coming down the road, sounding like a nigga breaking off a Kit Kat. Nigga, you need to get your suspension fixed. He go a little slow 5-0, I'll burn that nigga. On everything. That nigga truck got an exhaust leak. My brakes be squeaking for no reason and I just bought them. Like, what's going on? That's like the only thing that annoys me about this car, the brakes. Like, I don't know. OG hit that bitch coming down the street. He said that remind him of how his girl used to be moaning back in the day, screaming like that cat. Snap. I don't know what that is. Oh, I thought that was a little police truck. You know, that's where they gave my first speeding ticket at. Damn, my nigga car got smashed. Damn, let's get away from him. No doubt. My boy car like he got hit by a blimp on the passenger side. Y'all, a lot of y'all have been asking me in my comments, what exhaust setup do I have and do I have a tune? No, I do not have a tune. I just got a coder, a JLT coder intake, and I have a mid-muffler delete. For when I do my pops, y'all be asking me how I be making it pop. Hold on. So I put it around like, let's see, 4,000 RPM, and I just tap the gas. Downshift. Y'all hear that? If you tap the gas a little bit, play with it. Sometimes it'll pop at different RPMs. You just gotta, you feel me, figure out the sweet spot. Let's turn the lights on. See, bro, look how bright these lights is, y'all. They be light up the whole street, even though I know y'all can't really see it on camera. Alright. But y'all, you feel me? That's gonna wrap it up for this video. Do not mind my brakes, y'all. They got a mind of their own. They don't start squeaking to the cop till I'm driving like for like over 5 minutes. When I'm driving for like 5 minutes and the brakes heat up or whatever, that's when they start to squeak. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video, y'all. Make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so y'all tune in whenever I drop more videos like this one. You feel me, them bangers. Until next time, y'all. All about peace.